built an AI assistant for my business website in just 15 minutes. And here's how. See, this is my cosmetic and makeup website, and I regularly receive customer questions related to my products. Like, what makeup products do you have available? What was the upcoming offers? And many more product related questions. Now, answering each and every single questions manually becomes really hectic for me, especially when customers can message at any time. Until I created this AI assistant for my business. And just look at this. See how beautifully this AI assistant fits inside my website, completely matching the theme of my cosmetics store. But it's not just about how it looks. The AI assistant can work 24/7 and answer my customer questions automatically. Let me show you exactly how. As soon as I click on the Start Chat button, see, it automatically takes me directly to WhatsApp, and even the initial message hello is already written for me. So I simply need to send this message, and look at this. Immediately the AI assistant replies to me like this, that hello, how can I assist you today? Now let's actually test whether this AI assistant can handle real customer questions. First, I'm going to ask, what makeup products do you have available? And see, the AI assistant immediately responds with the relevant product information. So instead of me manually explaining my available products to every customer, the AI assistant can handle the initial conversation for me. But that's still a pretty basic question. Let's make it more interesting. Suppose a customer does not know exactly which product they want. They simply say, I want a natural everyday makeup look. What should I buy? And look at the response. The AI assistant understands what the customer is looking for and provides a relevant recommendation based on the business information available to it. Now let's try one more question. Which lipstick would you recommend for an everyday nude look? And see, it recommends a suitable option to me directly on WhatsApp. So whether someone wants to explore the products, need help choosing something, or has a question about the information available for my cosmetics. So whether someone wants to explore the products, needs help choosing something, or has a question about the information available for my cosmetic business, the AI assistant can handle these conversations 24/7. This AI assistant is not useful just because it can generate replies. I have trained it using the knowledge base of my own cosmetic business. The knowledge base contains the information I want the AI assistant to know about my business, such as my product details, pricing, recommendations, FAQs, and other related information. So instead of manually creating a separate reply for every possible customer question, I provide the knowledge base file and customer can ask their questions naturally. And that's why you can also customize the same concept for completely different business as well. Now comes the part that surprised me the most. I built this complete AI assistant in around 15 minutes without writing a single line of code, and the tool I use to make this possible is Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform that allows you to create AI assistants, automated WhatsApp chatbot flows, broadcast campaigns, and much more without coding. And for this particular setup, I use its AI assistant feature. I provided my cosmetic business knowledge base, customized the assistant according to my website, and then made it accessible directly from my website. That's it. And this cosmetic store is just one example. You can also create an AI assistant for your own business along with me by using the Pabbly Chatflow free trial. And after trying the tool, if you found it useful and creates a mind to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's start the creation of this AI assistant. Alright, so this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side, you will see multiple multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow, where you have to come in this AI assistant feature. And this page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. See, I have already created some AI assistant before, and for creating a new one, you need to click on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, give your assistant a descriptive name. I'll enter as Rose Beauty, and clicking on this button, our AI assistant is created successfully. Now this right here is the starting point of creating an AI assistant, where at first you need to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. Here I am selecting the AI agent. See, instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your users. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can also change these rules if you want to. After that, the temperature controls the creativity level of AI responses, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I have set the temperature to 0.5. Moving forward, you need to select the model provider, that I select as OpenAI. After that, you need to select the AI model variant, that I am selecting as GPT-4o mini. Here in the next field, you need to paste the API key. So for getting this API key, you need to go towards your OpenAI API keys page. After that, just click on this plus create new secret key button. Next, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Select the project from here, provide the permission, and click on this create secret key button. And see, the API key is successfully generated. So copy it from here and paste it in this field. And I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. After pasting the API key, you need to click on this connect button, and see, it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the AI assistant settings with multiple options. If you want to add any header or footer message, then you can enable this toggle and enter the message here. I am not adding. If you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enable this toggle and enter the word here. See, stop keywords works like this. For example, here I have entered the stop keywords at stop, and the customer will send exact that keyword while communicating with my AI assistant. Then AI assistant will become stop, and on that point, human inputs is required to restart the conversation. Here I am not adding any stop keywords too. After that, the retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your users if something goes wrong. You can increase it till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to your customer if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or in connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to your customers for the better conversation. Moving forward to the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of your AI assistant, that is knowledge source. Here you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for your AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant will provide business specific and accurate replies. In this tutorial, I have created an AI assistant for my cosmetic websites. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. I added all the information related to my business inside it. It works like a brain for your AI assistant. So create it carefully. Make sure that it contains all the information related to your business. For creating a knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs or any other application by the help of which you can create a text or the PDF formatted file. The file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. For uploading a knowledge base file, you need to click on this option, click on this add new file, and upload the file from your gallery. Here I have uploaded. Next, I'll click on this button, selecting the same knowledge base file from here and clicking on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload a knowledge base file while doing the setup of your AI assistant. It plays an important role. If your business have different from the cosmetic store, then you can upload your own business knowledge base file here. Moving forward to the assistant interface, see, here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in these fields. At first, I am replacing the header with Rose Beauty AI assistant. See, as soon as I make any changes in this field, it will automatically change here too. So basically, this is the final look of the AI assistant that is going to be visible in front of your customer. Now I'm going to customize the say assistant more by replacing the subheading as well and the initial message too. Here I have added. Next one is the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can disable it from here if you want to. I am disabling it and I'm not adding any footer text. Also, I don't need to add any footer link. You can add it if you want to. And I'm replacing the user first message from I need help to hello. Here I have successfully set this. See, I am designing this by my choice. You can change it. After that, the stylings. Here you can give style to your assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. I am not changing the theme, but I am changing the assistant shape from the circle to round shapes. Here I have changed and automatically the assistant shapes become rounded square. After that, I am going to change the assistant background color according to my website. Here I have changed. Moving forward, I'm going to change the text color with the black one. After that, I'm also changing the WhatsApp buttons color from here and also the primary chart bubble color as well. Here I have changed. I'm also changing the footer background color. As soon as you can make any changes here, it will automatically change here too. Here I successfully customized the say assistant based on my website colors. After that, I'm enabling this toggle so that my assistant will become active and clicking on the save assistant button. That's it. The assistant is successfully created. Now comes to the most important part, that how you can add the say assistant inside your websites. So for that, you need to click on this embed option and it will provide you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy the code from here and go back to the code of your own website. See, this is my cosmetics website code. Now inside this code, we need to go to the JavaScript section and here we need to paste the code that we have just copied from Pabbly Chatflow AI Assistant. If you already have your own website, then you probably know where the JavaScript or script section is located inside your website code. After pasting the code, simply save the website from here. That's it. You don't need to create any complicated integration here. It's basically copy, paste and save. Now let's open the website and see whether our AI assistant has been successfully added or not. At first, I'm going to refresh this website and you will see automatically the AI assistant is added inside our website, and this is the same AI assistant that we have created just now. And just look at the appearance of this AI assistant. It looks exactly the same as the way we customize it inside Pabbly Chatflow. The header, subheading, welcome message, button and overall appearance are reflecting the customization that we have just done. And most importantly, it blends perfectly with the theme of my cosmetic website. So you can also customize your AI assistant according to your own website and brand appearance. And once you embed it, the same customized assistant will be displayed directly on your website. So that's it. This is the easiest way to create an AI assistant for your own business website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offer. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.